Hello, everyone, and welcome to Talk and Learn English. Let me ask you a question. Do you understand English when you listen, but when it's time to speak, your mind goes blank? If this happens to you, you are not alone. Millions of learners face the same problem. In today's lesson, we will explore 5 simple tips to help you start speaking with confidence. Remember, I will speak slowly and clearly so you can practice listening and shadowing with me. That means listen, repeat, and copy my rhythm. Ready? Let's go. 1. Don't wait for perfect grammar. You don't need perfect grammar before you speak. Focus on communication, not perfection. Fluent with mistakes is better than silent with perfect grammar. 2. Learn phrases, not single words. Don't just memorize words. Learn ready-made chunks you can use in real life. For example, I'm a bit busy right now. That sounds great. When you know phrases like these, you can respond faster and sound more natural. 3. Talk to yourself. It may feel funny, but it works. Describe what you are doing in English. I'm making tea. I need to charge my phone. This trains your brain to think in English. 4. Practice with AI tools. Use tools like ChatGPT or language apps to practice conversations. They don't get tired, they don't judge, and they can correct your mistakes. 5. Try the 4-3-2 technique. Choose a topic. First, speak for 4 minutes slowly. Then, repeat the same topic in 3 minutes. Finally, repeat it in 2 minutes, faster and more fluent. This builds both speed and confidence. Remember, understanding English is great, but you will never become fluent unless you use your voice. Speak every day, even for a few minutes.